future college students. So right now, nagsisilabasan na yung results no, ng mga college applications, mga exams. Let's say matanggap ka doon sa first choice course mo or degree program doon sa, let's say, 6 no, na eskwelahan na pinag-applyan mo. I think isa sa pwede mo makonsider kung sakaling nalilito ka kung alin sa 6 na yon na eskwelahan ng papasukan mo, I think pwede mo i-consider yung scholarship opportunity. Sa panahon ngayon, it's really hard to tell din talaga with finances, di ba? So I feel like kung merong additional support through the scholarship, lalo na kung yung scholarship will cover the tuition fee, okay? Kasi maraming klase ng scholarship. Yung ibang scholarship kasi nagbibigay sila ng stipend. Hindi nila kino-cover yung tuition fee. Kung mag-aaral ka, let's say, sa isang malaking private university, mahal yung tuition fee. Kung i-cover yan 100% ng scholarship, I think isang malaking bagay yun na pwede mo i-consider. I feel like I made this video to speak particularly to those people na hindi pa sure kung saan mag-aaral and finances ang isa sa concern.